This is a video tutorial on how to prepare and set up for your first and future online singing lessons with Vox Singing Academy. So after you have made a booking and have paid for your lesson, you'll have a designated time allocated for your particular class, and you will receive a welcome email. It's very similar to this. So I'm quickly going to go through this welcome email because you want to follow these instructions that are on this welcome email. You will need to download the application for Skype or Zoom. Now these are quite easy. You can go to, this is for Skype here. So you just go to Skype, follow this link, and you can download Skype here to your desktop. With Zoom, you can go again onto Zoom, set it up. It's free, so you can again just click onto here, and the links are here to download those. After you have downloaded both of the applications, please run a thorough sound and technical check to make sure that your applications are working. If your speakers on your computer or desktop aren't loud enough, please, you may want to connect external speakers to your desktop so that you can hear the lesson to a very, very good volume. Your teacher will confirm what application they'll be using 48 hours beforehand, but even with that, please friend request your teacher. You'll receive their Skype email here. And if the lesson will be on Zoom, your teacher will send you an email to confirm that, but be prepared for both. It really depends on what country we're giving lessons in, depending on whether we're using Skype or Zoom. Some countries, either application works better or worse, so it just really depends where you are. Your teacher may book in a first 5-minute introduction just to sound check EQ to make sure all the levels are correct and that the songs and scales are coming through correctly from both ends. Please, when you're setting up, be in a well-lit room where you can sing to a good volume. We're not going to hold your voice back or feel intimidated where you're singing. Please stand in your lessons when you're doing your singing and scales. Please have the camera at head height so you're looking directly into the camera at eye level. We want to see just above your shoulders, and we want to be standing at least 1 to 2 feet away from the camera, not too far away, but the closer the better. Please have a room temperature bottle of water handy to keep your vocal cords hydrated during the class, a notepad, pen, or something to take down notes during the class. You are more than welcome to record the whole entire lesson on Skype or Zoom. With any scales that your teacher will be recording for you, they will also record these on their phone, and they'll email these over to you, so you'll have 2 copies just in case the quality of the Skype or Zoom recording isn't that great. Again, on the first lesson, you'll need to prepare to sing a verse and a chorus of a song so that your teacher can assess your voice. You can sing this a cappella with the original or with an instrumental, whatever you feel more comfortable with. Your future lessons, your teacher will be giving you scales, breathing exercises, as what normally happens in a standard in-studio class at one of our studios here. Again, you can work on your own songs, and you want to talk to your teacher about preparing songs, because your teacher will need to have the lyrics ready for them on their end so that they can write down notes on your lyrics, and then they'll take a photo and or screenshot these over to you. So that's basically going through the very first welcome email. I'll just give you a bit of a run through of the interface of Zoom here. This is the home page after you have downloaded it. This is Zoom, and you can go to different things. You can go to chat, so you may be chatting to some different people that you want to chat. So these will also bring up your recent calls as well too, that I've ran here with students. You can have a meeting. I wouldn't really sort of worry about that too much. This is probably one of the important ones here that we want to go to, which is contacts. So the teacher will send you an email request after you have downloaded this, but you can, if you have the teacher's email, you can add a contact. So you can put the teacher's email in here and add the teacher as well too. So you're more than welcome to do that if you have the teacher's email, which may be on the first email that they've sent you here. But that's how you can add the someone on Zoom, and then once that is done, it's quite easy to make a call, and for the teacher to make a call. Basically, you can just click any one of these that are on here. I know I don't want to do this right now because these people probably won't be expecting me to ring, but basically if I want to ring this person, if I want to ring Ian, I just click on this, and then I can just meet with video, and then I can just click this, and then that will go to a screen that's very similar to this. Now I want to get out of this, I don't want to connect with Ian, so I'm going to just cancel this here, and I'm going to cancel this. But this is what the interface looks like when you are using it. This is how you can end the meeting. You can record here, and you can share screens as well too. So I can click this button, I can share my screen as well too here. So this is the interface here. You can invite other people, stop the video. So it's quite a nice interface here. Okay, let me get rid of this. Indoor meetings. Okay, so that is a basic run through of Zoom. I'll give you a basic run through of Skype here as well too. This is the interface of Skype. Again, you got your contacts as well too. So these are all my contacts. And it's quite simple. Calls that I've made. Okay, I like to leave it on chat here because chat gives me also the calls and the chat. So as you can see, this is my last lesson that I had today. There was a call here that went for this long. That was that last lesson, but I've also sent some voice memos. Skype is really good because you can also send these really great audio messages as well too. Hi Caroline, sorry, I'll have to make it at... And so you can send these on your phone as well too. So it's really great. It's also great to send large files. But this is pretty much what it looks like. You can make a call, or you can go to video. Again, the interface will push this. I don't want to connect, but this is basically what it is like. And you can record from here as well. So you can blur the background. But I'm not going to go into this. But this is where you can actually record here as well. I don't want to ring Caroline here, but as you can see, my background's blurred out, and I can give a lesson here. I'm just going to stop this right now so that I'm not going to ring Caroline. That's basically the interface of that. I don't want to send Caroline a message. Any questions, please contact your teacher, and they'll definitely be able to help you out. Thank you. Bye-bye.